Hello everybody and welcome to yet another wonderful session on Vedantu Young Wonders. This is your master teacher Haripriya. How is everybody doing? Hi Rishi, hi Manha. Welcome to the session everybody. Hello. Hi Surya Prakash. यहाँ कैसे भाई? Okay. Hi Jyoti. Hi Ritika. Hi Seema. Awesome. And all of you are on time fun with me. Hi Jyoti. Hi Rajeshwari. Hi Palak. I'm doing great, Rishi. How are you doing? So, welcome to yet another wonderful session on Vedantu Young Wonders. I hope you guys had blast of a day because today we're going to do one of the most important chapters of your grade 7, which is exponents and powers. So let us get started. So before we get started, we will always start the session with a quick dose of motivation. Yeah, the best way to predict your future is to create it. हाँ शायद से मैं ये बनूंगा ये मतलब act on it. If you want to be a doctor, act towards it. You want to be a model, act towards it. You want to be a makeup artist, act towards it, right? So the best way to predict what you're going to be in the future is to create it and act accordingly. Yes? Awesome. Hello, Shreya. I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. Hi, Honey Money. Welcome to the session. I can see 36 people are live, but guys, ये क्या है? हाँ ये क्या है 15 लाइक क्यों है यहाँ पे come on guys hit the like button share this video right now with your friends and ask them also to join we will have VQuiz hope the link is updated here let's see हाँ link updated भी है ठीक है तो VQuiz होगा आज after we do few set of very important questions ठीक है and leave a comment if you're watching a live class sorry if you're not watching the live class leave the comment and tell me how did you like it and wait till the end of this video you will be able to do all kinds of questions related to exponents and powers ठीक है so let us get started chalo hi pizza boy so what is an exponent shows how many times a number is being multiplied with itself so if I say x to the power 5 that means I am multiplying x with itself how many times 5 times now here your x is called as the base and your n x to the power n is called as the exponent or power the what do you call it the meaning of exponent and power is the same if I write a number 5 to the power 10 it is said to be in exponential form so sorry anyways it is said to be in exponential form where your 10 is called as exponent or you can also call it as a power but your 5 is your base now what happens if I take a negative base with an odd power if I have a negative base to the power an odd number the answer will be negative if I take a negative integer to an even power the answer will be positive got it so here minus 2 is a negative integer to the power 1 is an odd number so what is the answer minus 2 which is a negative integer now if I take minus 2 to the power 4 now 4 is an even number so it is the answer is going to be a positive 16 it is plus 16 ठीक है okay it's deleted chapter for you no problem rest of you can start this ठीक है चलो so we saw x to the power 2x is the variable 2 is called as a power or an exponent and then comes the most important laws of exponent the first one is the multiplication rule what happens here the bases are the same but the exponents may be same or may not be same but when the bases are same and you're multiplying the two exponents keep the base as it is and you add your exponents ठीक है the second one is the division rule a to the power x divided by a to the power y now the bases are the same and you're dividing the two exponents है ना So what is that we will do? We will keep the base as it is and we will subtract the exponents. Whatever power you have, we're going to subtract that for division. And then we have the power of a power rule. Matlab a to the power x whole to the power y. So that will be a to the power x multiplied with y. Or you just have to multiply your powers. And then we have the product rule. Power of a product. Matlab if I multiply two numbers whole to the power x, then that x can be given individually to each of the number. A to the power x multiplied with b to the power x. Now what happens for the fraction rule? What happens when we are dividing two integers or numbers? A by b whole to the power x. So the exponent is given to each of them. A to the power x divided by b to the power x. Easy peasy. And then the sixth one is anything to the power 0 is always equals to 1. Please remember this. Anything to the power 0 is always equals to 1. ठीक है? Okay. क्या हो रहा है? Chat में क्या हो रहा है? Which is your favorite class to teach? All the classes, 6th to 10th, everything is my favorite. Ma'am, but why 0 is a whole of the base A, then the answer will be. Raj, basically, what do you mean by the power? You're multiplying the number with itself, right? So if I say a to the power 0, what does that actually mean? You're multiplying a not with itself. Like you're not multiplying at all. So the answer is just unit. Okay? Thank you, Rishi. Thank you so much. Hello, Shalaka. Hi, Shalaka. Hi, Vanshika. Hello, hello. Hi, Nana. Now, let's move forward and talk about the expanded form of a number. If I have a number 5319, how do I write? Now, 9 is sitting in the units place. So, 9 multiplied with 10 to the power 0. 1 is sitting in the tens place. 1 multiplied with 10 to the power 1. 3 is sitting in the hundreds place. So, 3 into 10 to the power 2. 5 is sitting in the thousands place. So 5 into 10 to the power 3. So this is how you are going to expand a number using exponential form. And then we have a standard form and a usual form. Please remember, this is a very important concept. You will get a 2 mark or a 4 mark questions on this. Now, when do you say an exponent or a number is in a standard form? Now, if a number lies between 0 and 9. If a number lies between 0 and 9 multiplied with 10 to the power a number, any number, then you can say that a number is in a standard form. For example, let's take 20. Now, can I say that 20 is between 0 and 9? No. So, is it in a standard form? No. So, what do we do to get it in a standard form? You have 20 here. So, I will multiply and divide by 10. So, 0, 0 cancel ho jayega. So, you have 2 into 10 to the power 1. Now, this 2 lies between 0 and 9. And this is getting multiplied with 10 to the power some number. So, this is said to be in a standard form. Now, for example, let's take 7.012. Now, is it in a standard form here? You can say that it is in a standard. Okay, let's take 317.012. Now, is this in a standard form? It is not. Why? Because it is not a number lying between 0 and 9 into 10 to the power something, right? So, what do? We will be dividing by 100 and multiplying by 100. Now, why did I divide by 100? So that this decimal number moves 1 and 2 digits. When you are doing division, the decimal point moves towards the left hand side. How many digits? Depending upon the 0. So we have 2 zeros here. So we are going to move 1 and 2 digit and place the dot. So here it is going to be 3.17012 into 10 to the power 2, because 100 can still be written as 10 to the power 2. हो गया? Easy peasy? Yes. Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Did you understand? Did you understand? Yes or no? Hi, Vatsala. Shejal. Hello. Did you understand? Yo. Amazing. Amazing, everybody. Let us solve few questions. I didn't like maths. After watching some of Vedantu classes, I understood a lot and it helped a lot. Oh, Jyoti, that means the world to us. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Chalo, let us get started with the long answer type question. The first question is on your screens. Using the law of exponents, simplify. 3 to the power 2 multiplied with 7 to the power 8 multiplied with 5 to the power 6 divided by 21 to the power 2. Now guys, whenever you have a number like 21 या 4 या 6 या 8, split them. Okay? Now how do we split? What do I mean by split here? Multiplied with 5 to the power 6. Now I can write my 21 as 3 multiplied with 7 whole to the power 2. Can I write it like that? Yo or no? Thank you, Rajeshwari. Can I write my 21 whole square as 3 into 7 whole square? Yes or no, guys? Come on, come on, come on. And yes, do not forget to like this session if you're enjoying it. Yes? Awesome. Now, I can write this as 3 to the power 2 multiplied with 7 to the power 8 multiplied with 5 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 2 multiplied with 7 to the power 8. Now, what did I use here? Now, this one is of the form a multiplied with b whole to the power 2. So, that is a multiplied with a to the power 2 multiplied with b to the power 2. Hai na? Easy peasy. Now, this and this is getting cancelled. Now, you have 7 to the power 8 divided by 7 to the power 2 multiplied by 5 to the power 6. A to the power x divided by a to the power y. Which identity am I using here? It is a to the power x divided by b to the power y. Sorry, a to the power y is equal to a to the power x minus y. So what we have here? 7 to the power 8 minus 2, which is 6, multiplied with 5 to the power 6. Now guys, here you have 7 to the power 6 multiplied with 5 to the power 6. Can I write it as 7 multiplied with 5 whole to the power 6? Can I write it like that? Yes. Very good. It is 35 to the power 6. Anvay, very good, bacha. Very good. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Renu. Very nice. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much, Jyoti. Thank you so much. It's just making my day. I'm really happy. Okay. Now let us talk about 0 to the power 0 is not defined, Keshav. There's no answer. It's not defined. Okay. Chal. Now let's talk about the next question. The distance between the Sun and Saturn is 1.4335 into 10 to the power 12 meters. And the distance between Saturn and Uranus is 1.439 into 10 to the power 12 meters. The distance between the Sun and Earth is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meters. Can you tell me which of the three distances is the smallest? Now, what are they telling? From Sun to Saturn. Saturn has rings, no? Okay, from Sun to Saturn, you have 1.4335 into 10 to the power 12. Now, when you want to compare your exponents, you have to make sure that 10 to the power something, this number is the same for all three of them. And then we have from Saturn to Uranus. Okay. Now this distance here is 1.439 into 10 to the power 12. Now when you have to compare between this and this, the powers are the same. 10 to the power 12, 10 to the power 12. So now you can compare clearly. This is the smallest distance between these two. Yeah. Now let's talk about Earth and the Sun. We have the Sun and then we have the Earth. Wow, amazing drawing I'm doing today. Anyways, now here it is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11. We want this to also become 10 to the power 12. So if I multiply by 10, I can get 10 to the power 12. So I will divide by 10 also. So it will become 0.1496 into 10 to the power 12. Now, which one is the least among all of them? You tell me, guys. Which is the least? Distance between what and what is the smallest? Sun and Uranus, Sun and Saturn and Uranus, or the third one, Earth and the Sun? Very good. The distance between Earth and the Sun is the least. Did you understand what we did here? When you want to compare when you want to compare your exponents, first convert the exponent form to the same number. If two of them is 10 to the power 11, try to convert the other one also into 10 to the power 11. But here two of them are already 10 to the power 12. So that's why I have converted this also in terms of 10 to the power 12. Once the exponent part becomes equal, you just have to compare the whole number part. Okay? Hi Kumar. Yes, bacha, you can join if you're asking for the VQuiz. Your next question is on your screen. Hi Pratima. मेरा मैसेज देख लो एंड प्लीज रिप्लाई दे दो. कौन सा कहाँ पे मैसेज बच्चा? Rishi. Awesome. Now we have minus 3 by 5 whole to the power 4 multiplied with 4 by 9 whole to the power 4 multiplied with minus 15 by 18 whole to the power 2. Now minus 3 by 5, let's keep it as it is. You can write it as 3 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4. Now 4 by 9, I'm simplifying this here. 4 by 9 can be written as 2 by 3 whole square. Did everybody understand this step here? The star mark step, quickly give me a yo. Did you understand? I have written 4 by 9 as 2 by 3 whole square. Hi Roshan. Did you understand, guys? Very good. Now we have 4 by 9 whole to the power 4 in the question. So it is 2 by 3 whole square whole to the power 4. So what will this become? This will become 2 to the power 8 divided by 3 to the power 8. That's it. You're going to multiply these two exponents. So it is 2 to the power 8 divided by 3 to the power 8. That's how I'm writing. Okay? Now we have minus 15. The second step, guys. Minus 15 by 18 whole to the power 2. Now 15, I can write 15 as minus 3 into 5. And I can write 18 as 3 multiplied with 6 whole to the power 2. Yes? Yes or no? Can I write my minus 15 as, I'll write it as plus 3 multiplied with minus 5. And so 18 I can write it as plus 3 multiplied with plus 6. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So you are left with minus 5 by 6 whole square, which is minus 5 whole square divided by 6 square. Understood? Yes? Avengers assemble. Please try to watch the reply, bacha. Please replay. Okay? It's quite lengthy. I have gone very slow. Very slow I've gone. Okay? Got it? So I have written my 4 by 9 as 2 by 3 whole square. So whole to the power 4 will become 2 to the power 8 divided by 3 to the power 8. Okay? Now, then what do we have? Minus 15 by 18 whole square. So I have written here, I have simplified this and have got minus 5 square by 6 square. All done now. Now, where all do we have? So minus 5 square is nothing but 5 square. You will end up getting 25 only. Minus 5 into minus 5 is plus 25. 5 into 5 is also plus 25, right? So I'm going to write all the like bases one above the other. Minus 3 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 8, and then 2 to the power 8 divided by 3 square into 2 square. What happened here? I have written my 6 square as 2 into 3 whole square. So you can write it as 2 square multiplied with 3 square. That's what I did here. So what will happen here? It will be 5 to the power minus 2 multiplied with, now minus 3 whole to the power 4 is the same as plus 3 whole to the power 4. The value will be the same. You can only do this when the exponent is an even number. You can't do it with an odd number. Ma'am, how did minus 5 become plus 5? Rishi, that's what I'm telling here. When you have a negative number to the base, a positive number, you can write it as minus 1 multiplied with 5 whole square. है ना? So minus 1 square is 1, and then you have 5 square, which is nothing but 5 square. Okay? So you can only do this when you have a even number as your power. Okay? Okay? Did you understand, Rishi? समझ आया कैसे आया minus 5 become plus 5? Preeni, if that is easy for you, you can do it. Okay? Awesome. Now, here what will happen? 3 to the power minus 4 divided by 3 to the power 2, yahan ka, and 2 to the power 6. Okay? So here again, when you simplify this, what will happen? Minus 4 minus 2. That will become minus 6. So 5 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power minus 6 multiplied with 2 to the power 6. This is what you will end up getting. Okay? You can simplify it, but you can, I would say, just leave it like that. Okay? Yes. Very nice. Very nice, Isha. You have got it absolutely correct. Okay? Chalo. The next questions on your screen. 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 is equal to 125. Find the value of x. So guys, whenever I told you, whenever you have numbers like 25, 125, 9, 4, 16 and all, try to factorize them. So I can write my 25 as 5 into 5, that is 5 square. And I can write my 125 as 5 into 5 into 5. Yes? Is everybody agreeing here with me? Got it? Now, what is happening in the left, on the left hand side, what is happening? You are dividing two exponents with the same base. So keep the base as it is and you are just going to subtract your exponents. This is equal to 5 to the power 3. Now, on the left hand side and right hand side, the bases are the same. So when the bases are the same, you can equate your exponents. है ना? So your 2x is equals to 4. What will be the value of your x? 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. ठीक है? Everybody understood? Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. समझ आया? अच्छा, you've come to the office? Oh. Okay, so yes, the answer is x is equal to 2. Your next question is on your screen. 2 by 3 whole to the power 10 multiplied with 3 by 2 whole square whole to the power 5 is equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power 2n minus 2. So what is happening here? First, let's simplify it further. 2 by 3 whole to the power 10 multiplied with 3 by 2 whole to the power 10. That is equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power 2n minus 2. Now here on the left hand side, it is of the form a multiplied with n multiplied with b multiplied with n. The bases are different but the exponents are same. So you can multiply the bases and keep the exponent as it is. So 2 by 3 multiplied with 3 by 2 whole to the power 10 is equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power 2n minus 2. Now यहाँ तो ये cancel हो जाएगा. So what is left here? 1 to the power 10 is equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power 2n minus 1. Now what is 1 to the power 10? That is nothing but 1, right? So I can write it as 2 by 3 whole to the power 2n minus 2 is equal to 2 by 3 whole to the power 0, which is nothing but 1. Can I do this? Yes or no? Quickly give me a yo in the chat box. Now 10 to the power 1 is nothing but 1. Can I write 1 as 2 by 3 whole to the power 0? Why did I do that? Because I want to make the bases equal on left hand side and right hand side so that I can equate the exponents. So your 2n minus 2 is equal to 0. Your 2n is equals to 2. Your n is equal to 1. Understood? Yes? Yes, did you all understand this? So what is the value of your n? Your n is equal to 1. Awesome. Thank you, Vinayak. How did 0 come? Prema, that's what I'm telling. We have got 1 here. Hai na? We've got 1 to the power 10. Now 1 to the power 10 is nothing but 1. Hai na? You're multiplying 1 10 times. That is nothing but 1. Now that 1, I can write it as anything to the power 0 is 1. So I will take the base to be 2 by 3. Because on the left hand side, I have 2 by 3 as the base. So that's why it is 2 by 3 whole to the power 0. Did you understand, Prerna? Yes? Okay. Aditya, please try watching the replay because the other 32 students will feel a little bored who understood. Okay? Okay? Yes. The solution is also given here. I've explained it extremely slowly. You can always watch the reply. Okay? Next question. Write the expanded form. Now here, what do you mean by expanded form? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So you just have to write it in expanded form, exponential form. So 2 into 10 to the power kahan gaya? 2 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 to the power 8 plus 0 into 10 to the power 7 plus 3 into 10 to the power 6 plus 7 into 10 to the power 5 plus 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 1 into 10 to the power 3. This is called as exponential form. 0 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. Okay? This is what you'll have to do. Okay? Yes, in exponential form. Cool? Now, so here you have to write it it is given in an expanded form. You just have to write a number here. Right? So what is that we do? 7, 6, 0, 4, 5. Here what will happen? Because see 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So it will become 5, 4, 2, 0, 0, 3. Okay. So this is going to be 5,42,003. Aditya, you can skip that. You don't have to write 0 as an exponent. You can skip that. Okay? Urban Gallery, I am so happy with this. I am so happy with the message. Chalo, the next question. 5 to the power 5 is there. 4, 3 is missing. Then you have 2, 1. Right? And then you don't have a 0. So it's going to be 9, Since 4 and 3 is missing, 0, 0, 5, 3, 0. So what is the answer? 9 lakh 530. Okay. 900,530. This is, guys, we still have the units place. 0 into 10 to the power 0. So don't forget to add a 0 here. Okay. That's the trick. Chalo. Let us move forward with the VQuiz. You can find the VQuiz ka link in the description box. Let me quickly show it to you. So you are seeing this. Okay. Are you guys all seeing this here? First of all, do not forget to hit the like button. और यहाँ पे आप आगे यहाँ पे देख सकते हो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में VQuiz का लिंक है ना? तो quickly join the VQuiz. I'm going to present it. चलो, hurry up. The link for the VQuiz is in the description box. If you don't want to go through the link, then what is that you have to do? Type vquiz.in in a new tab. Take a new phone, okay, or a new tab, and then use the code 228094. Joined? Awesome. Quick. Hurry up. I can see 13 people have already joined. I'll wait for a little more while. Hurry up, guys. Jyoti, it's totally your wish. If you want to do, you can. Okay? Okay, Aditya. I will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go. The first question is on your screens, everybody. Find the value of x 2 by 5 whole to the power 3 multiplied with 2 by 5 whole to the power 15 is equal to 2 by 5 whole to the power 2 plus 3x. Very easy peasy. Hi Vinayak, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. Hi Kushagra vlog. Hurry up. I've given you a lot of time for this such an easy peasy pizza cheesy question. 15 seconds. Hi Akshaya. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Hi Pallavi. 2, 1. That is a time up. Guys, ये हो क्या रहा है? Why is that a lot of you made a mistake in this? हाँ? ये क्या हुआ? अरे कहाँ गया? ठीक है. So what happened here? The bases are the same. So keep the base as it is, add your exponent. So it is going to become 2 by 5 whole to the power 18, right? So since the bases are the same on left hand side and right hand side, 2 plus 3x is equal to 18. है ना? So what is that we have? 2 plus 3x is equals to 18. 18 ही है ना? 15, 16, 17, 18. हाँ. So your 3x is equals to 18 minus 2, which is 16. Your x is equals to 16 by 3. So the correct answer is 16 by 3. Chalo, let's look at the leaderboard. And we have Mayank and Anvay. Only 2 people have got it right. Very bad. Everybody else will get a virtual thappad. Second question is on your screens, everybody. Express in standard form. It's count the number of zeros. It is hard, but Salah, it is so easy. We have done 2 questions like that in the session. It should be easy. कितने zeros है भाई यहाँ पे? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 zeros are there. Oh, that's amazing, Rohan. Why are you spamming, Roshan? मैं क्या करूँ उस information से? Roshan, if you are spamming like that, you'll be blocked. Your wish. Awesome, awesome, guys. The correct answer here is 9.42 into 10 to the power minus 12. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 942 ही था ना? हाँ, 942 ही था. Now, this big number can be written as 942 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 to the power 14. Yeah? Now, that is nothing but 942 into 10 to the power minus 14. But we want it in standard form. So what will I do? I will divide and multiply by 100. Now either you can lie it between 0 to 10 or 0 to 9 into 10 to the power some number here. Okay? So I will take 0 to 10 here. So I will multiply by 100. I will divide by 100. So when I divide, it is going to be 9.42 into 10 to the power minus 14 into 10 to the power 2. So it's going to be 9.42 into 10 to the power minus 12. So that's why the answer is option number. Oh, I'm so sorry. It wasn't visible to you guys. So sorry. I didn't know it was not visible. Stream over हो गया? नहीं, stream over नहीं है. अभी यहीं पे हम लोग. Okay. Did you understand this? This is how you will have to do. Multiply and divide by 100. ठीक है? Okay. Chalo. Let us look at the leaderboard. Keshav, now you can enter the quiz. Okay? Okay. Now, let us talk about the leaderboard. Again, we have Mayank, Kritishna, Aditya, Priyanshu and Anvay. Very good, everybody. Let us look at the third question. Roshan, Bacha, this is the last warning I'm giving you. After that, you will be blocked. Okay? After that, you will be blocked. You will not be able to enter the live chat. Please. Okay? The code is 228094. Three, two, one. That's a time up. Find the correct answer. Guys, the answer is option A. 2 to the power 0 is equals to 100 to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 100 to the power 0 is 1. So the answer is option number A. मैम आप तो सिपर से पीती थी ना? हाँ बच्चा, वो सिपर अभी बाहर है, but this is the only thing I had on my table, so yeah, I grabbed it. So we have Mayank, Anvay, Priyanshu, Sanjeev, Kritishna, Aditya and Parth. Very well done, everybody. The fourth question is on your screens. Which one of the following has a different value from the rest? Quick. The timer is starting. Shreya, it's okay. Try in incognito mode next time whenever you're facing this issue. Okay? Now, let us look at the... Oh my God. Guys, who kya rahe hai, huh? What is happening today? -1 to the power 1000 is +1. Minus 1 to the power 121 is minus 1 because 121 is an odd number. Again, 250 is an even number, so the answer is 1. 1000 to the power 0 is also 1. So only for option number B, minus 1 to the power 121 will be minus 1. For the rest of the options, the answer is 1. Okay? So the answer is option number B. And we have Mayank, Priyanshu, Anvay in the top 3. Then we have Sanjeev, Kritishna, and Aditya and Parth. Very well done. The last questions on your screen. 3 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the 3 to the power 2 multiplied with 3 to the power 10 is. Chalo, hurry up. Guys, अगर आपने लाइक बटन नहीं दबाया ना अब तक, जल्दी जल्दी दबा दो, ठीक है? Hit the like button right now. I've given you a lot of time for this. The timer. And that is a time up. Very good. Very good, everybody. So here 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 2 will become 3 to the power 3 multiplied with 3 to the power 10. So the base will be 3. 10 plus 3 will give you 13. So it is 3 to the power 13. And let us look at the final leaderboard. We have Mayank leading the leaderboard. Then we have Priyanshu and Anvay in the second and the third position. Very well done. Very well done, everybody. So we have learnt about the different laws of exponents, standard form, usual form, and all of that. Please try to watch the entire session again. Aram se, I have explained every important question that you might get in your exam. Very aram se. So dekh lena, and do not forget to share this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay? I'm gonna meet you guys again next year. Okay? So from my side, a happy new year to all of you. Stay strong, stay safe. Bye-bye.